Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Loon Reloaded. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box you get the user manual, Loon Reloaded, refillable pod, USB-C cable, and the lanyard. To get started, remove the pod from the device. Peel the connection sticker from the pod. Locate the rubber seal, open it, and to fill the pod, grab your favorite juice. Loon salts work the best, but any salt nicotine juice can also be used. After filling the pod, it is recommended to saturate for 2 to 3 minutes to avoid burning the coil. Place the pod in the device and it's ready to use. The Loon Reloaded comes with two different coil pods, a 1.0 ohm and 1.3 ohm. Refill packs for both are available for purchase online. On the back, it has an airflow hole. On the front, it has the LED light indicator. A pod can be refilled up to 5 times before needing to be replaced. For replacement pods, Loon salts, or to look at all the other colors and options, visit our website. And don't forget to follow us and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.